integrates so well with my calendar. Again, I use Google Calendar for both my personal and work appointments, and I have set up the software to work with both of those, and I've never had any issues. It just works, which I like.
So when we moved over to Calendly, a couple of things that we really loved was the interface, the interaction that the user could have with scheduling their time, being able to choose a follow-up sequence so that when somebody did register or reach out for a contact, there was an automatic follow-up sequence that was in play.
We chose Calendly because of the HIPAA compliance as well as FERPA compliance. It was able to make sure that our students' data privacy was secure.
I just think the back end is very intuitive and easy to use. I like that you can change the link names, like the URLs, and it was super easy for me to send to clients. It's pretty looking and very concise, straightforward, to the point.